Let's talk about figs today. Today it is just a fruit for us, but apart from that, it has deep historical and cultural roots. It symbolizes abundance, fertility, and sweetness in many different ethnic cultures. Ancient civilizations such as the Greeks and Egyptians revered the fig as a sacred fruit associated with prosperity and divine wisdom. In Greek mythology, the fig tree was sacred to Demeter, goddess of agriculture and fertility. In addition, the fig stands out in religious texts, including the Bible, where it is mentioned many times as a symbol of abundance and blessing. It is also interesting that in Chinese culture and medicine, figs were seen as balancing foods for yin and yang. Let's see, in addition to being delicious, what else figs offer. It is an ideal fruit for digestive health, as it contains a lot of fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Fibers promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. It can also help regulate blood sugar levels and cholesterol levels. 1 Medium-sized fig contains about 2 grams of fiber, which is about 8% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Fibers contribute to the health of the digestive system by softening digestion waste, making it easier for them to move through the intestines. This can help prevent constipation and other digestive problems such as bloating and gas. In addition, fiber helps lower cholesterol levels, which reduces the risk of heart disease. It is also important that figs are a good source of potassium, which is an important mineral for heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and heart rhythm. It can also protect the heart from stroke and other disease. Medium-sized figs contain about 190 milligrams of potassium, which is about 5% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Potassium also helps balance sodium levels in the body, which helps lower blood pressure. It also helps the heart beat regularly and protects it from arrhythmias. Figs are a good source of calcium and magnesium, which are essential minerals for bone health. Calcium helps build and maintain strong bones, while magnesium prevents a decrease in bone mass. Medium-sized figs contain about 10 milligrams of calcium and 8 milligrams of magnesium. It's not a significant amount of calcium, but for people who don't eat a lot of leafy green vegetables, it can be a good source of magnesium. Magnesium is important for bones due to the fact that it helps bones regulate calcium uptake and resist the process of bone maturation. Figs are a good source of antioxidants. These antioxidants can help neutralize free radicals and protect the body from damage. The content of figs also makes it a beneficial fruit for the immune system, as this vitamin helps the body fight infections by producing antibodies and white blood cells. With its help, inflammations and the appearance of the mucous membrane are reduced, which in itself leads to a decrease in the duration of colds and flu. Medium-sized figs contain about 10 milligrams of vitamin C, which is about 12% of the recommended daily intake for adults, which is a very good indicator for one separately taken product. You will also improve sleep with figs. This fruit is a good source of potassium and help improve sleep quality. Potassium helps the body and mind to relax, making it ease with falling asleep on the one hand and deep sleep on the other. Figs are also a good source of iron, which can help reduce the risk of anemia. Iron is essential for the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body. Figs contain antioxidants that protect the skin from damage by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and tissues, causing wrinkles and age spots. Figs contain a compound called physatin, which helps to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Thanks to its antioxidants, figs also reduce the risk of cancer. It is a good source of boron, a mineral that is very important for fertility. Medium-sized figs contain about 1 milligram of boron, which is about 10% of the recommended daily intake for adults. This is a good amount of boron for one fruit, and it can help improve fertility. Boron helps regulate the production of sex hormones such as testosterone and estrogen. In men, boron will help improve sperm production and quality. And in women, boron can help regulate the menstrual cycle and increase fertility. You will be surprised, and fig leaves, in addition to those mentioned in the Bible, have other uses. and they are actively used in medicine. If you use it yourself correctly, it will help solve several of your health problems. Below we will offer you the rules and recipes for its use. Fig leaves contain compounds that help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which is beneficial for people with diabetes. Fig leaves are rich in antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, protecting the body from damage. Tea made from fig leaves helps the digestive system process food and relieves gastrointestinal discomfort. It is believed that the presence of certain compounds in fig leaves has a positive effect on heart health, including lowering blood pressure. Fig leaves also contain a compound called phycin, which has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Phycin can reduce inflammation and fight infection. Human melanoma cells are phototoxic to the antioxidant activity of fig leaves. Fig leaves have been found to be a fantastic source of treatment for specific forms of skin cancer. In addition, another benefit of fig leaf is that it is good against wrinkles, reduces dry cough and alleviates asthma symptoms. Keep in mind that the white milk from the leaves can irritate your skin, so wash your hands thoroughly along with washing the leaves. You can then make tea from it. Both dried and raw leaves can be used for this. In addition, little does anyone know that fig leaf as well as vine leaf or cabbage leaf can be used to wrap rice or other products inside. Here's some useful recipes. Fig leaf face mask. With skin smoothing and healing effect. 2 dried fig leaves. Half a cup of sour milk. 1 teaspoon honey. Half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. In a small bowl, finely powder the dried fig leaves. Add sour milk, honey and cinnamon. Mix well. Apply the mask to the face and neck, omitting the eye area. Leave the mask on for 15 minutes. Rinse off the mask with warm water and pat your face dry. For best results, you can use this mask once or twice a week. Fig leaf tea. Properties: soothing, anti-inflammatory, immune boosting. Reduces dry cough and relieves asthma symptoms. It can help in the fight against cancer. There are studies that show that it helps fight breast cancer, cervical cancer, colon cancer, and liver cancer cells. 2 raw fig leaves or dried leaves 1 tablespoon. 1 cup boiling water. Wash the fig leaves well, crush and place in a cup. Pour boiling water over and leave for 5 to 10 minutes, if using dried leaves, 15-20 minutes. Strain the tea and enjoy. You can drink fig leaf tea hot or cold. Fig leaf steam bath. With cleansing effect for facial skin and respiratory tract. You will need fresh fig leaves, about 5 to 6 leaves. Boiling water. Towel. Wash the fig leaves well and pat dry with a clean towel. Crush fresh fig leaves and place in a large bowl. Pour carefully boiling water. Cover the head with a towel. Take a deep breath to inhale the soothing aroma of the fig leaves. The duration of the bath is 5 to 10 minutes, or until the steam disappears. Dry your face with a towel and your favorite moisturizer. Fig leaf steam bath helps to open and cleanse the pores of the skin, rejuvenate it. In addition, this bath is a real healing procedure for your respiratory tract as well. That's all it was today. Thank you for joining us on our journey through natural healing, vegetables, and herbs. Stay tuned for more inspiring recipes and wellness tips. Like, share, and subscribe for a healthier you.